What's going on, everybody? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service, and today I want to go over how to edge with a weed eater.
Thank you for watching this video today. Please hit that subscribe button and join the lawn crew. Also, if you really enjoy this video, smash that like button and be sure to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button just to stay notified when we put out a new video. Also, check out our Amazon affiliate links down in the description. Those links take you to different products that we are affiliated with, and when you click on that affiliate link and purchase that item, we get a small kickback from the purchase of that item, and that just helps us to continue creating awesome content like this video. Now back to the video.
Today I'm going to be using an ECHO SRM 266 straight shaft weed eater. Now, this thing can be purchased at Home Depot right off the shelf, and it's ready to go. So let's get into how to hold the weed eater. So normally, when you're going to weed eat with a weed eater, you're just going to hold it like this. But when you want to trim, you flip it upside down. Now you're holding it like this, and it makes that string go almost parallel to the sidewalk. So in a minute I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now, it doesn't matter what kind of weed eater you have. You can get an electric weed eater, you can do any kind of weed eater will work for you. Now let's go over a few things. First of all, I don't really care how you hold it. I'm going to show you how I hold my trimmer. I hold my weed eater like this to edge. Some people hold it like this to edge. This does get the string a little bit more straight. The way I hold it, it does put a little bit of an angle on it. It's just personal preference. Whatever makes you comfortable is okay. Let's talk a little bit about safety. When you're edging with a weed eater, you always want to wear eye protection. Dirt and grass are going to fly up in your face. It's just the nature of edging with a weed eater. Also, I would recommend wearing pants. I am used to things hitting my legs, so it doesn't bother me at all. Also, you want to make sure that you're not going to throw dirt or stones into vehicles or windows or buildings. It's just good practice to stay away from edging with a weed eater in those areas, because it is very easy to throw rocks and break windows and things like that. Now, let's do some edging. And that, my friends, is how we edge with a weed eater. Check these edges out. Alright guys, so if you have any questions at all about edging with a weed eater, hit me up in the comments below. Also, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're always giving out tips and tricks and things for you to be able to do. So check it out. Check out the rest of our videos. And as always, we will see you when we get this mess cleaned up.